G'day legends, Ernie Nickel here again. Now if you've ever searched for tips, tricks and hacks for your caravan on YouTube, you know that there's thousands of them. And quite frankly, half of them contradict each other. Now I've got my big 50 hacks video, but to make life easier, I'm going to break it down into smaller, bite-sized videos. So you can find exactly what you're looking for without digging through the whole lot. I'll drop a full list into the description so you can jump forward or back to the hacks that matter to you. And don't forget, I've got 3 $100 vouchers to give away thanks to Snowies Outdoors and yours truly, Ernie Nickel. Now they're perfect for grabbing some goodies for your next trip. So legends, let's get right into it. Went to the Caravan and Camping show. I said, Blake, I want this to come out and I want it to drop down. He said, yep, got just the model here, $1,200. Bullshit. So I thought about it, went to Bunnings, spent $7 on 2 aluminium hinges, one there and one there. I already had a bit of aluminium to go underneath, a couple of bits of wood. That's to actually raise the height of it so the angle's correct. Now I said angle, not angle. So let's have a look. Comes out and drops down. It's got a bungee at the back. It's adjustable, so you know, can we just adjust the height? All right, so I can get at me bears, Sheila can get at the cokes. Beautiful. Now that is a great hack. Now it's absolutely beautiful morning here at Cobb Douglas Station Caravan Park. Keep that name in the back of your head. Anyway, let's start with some tips. Jerry cans. Now, it's not all about carrying fuel all over the place, but when you cross a nullarbor or you go up into the middle of, like, let's say the border of Queensland and New South Wales, in around there, more just above, let's say, Broken Hill, you're going to need some fuel. The Great Central Highway, you're going to need some fuel. So it's worth carrying some, all right? Jerry cans, Snowies, about 27 bucks. Now, this one here, the Echidna off-road bag, wheel bag. Now I was a bit skeptical, but then I started to look into these guys and the quality is amazing. What really impressed me is the latches on the back. They're not your plastic type, they're actually metal. And the locking mechanism that they supply is also amazing. You can pick these up online for about $120. They're on special quite often, and 120 bucks for me, I reckon that's cheap. But here's the kicker: we actually made like a box for it out of Corfu. Now you've got to say Bunnings, best place to shop sometimes, isn't it? Anyway, this is an extendable ladder. Very good. Means I can wash the top of the car. More importantly, I can get on top and I can actually clean the solar panels. It extends. It's easy to use. It is very easy to use. Just clips. Boom, down she goes. Now that'll only go down so far just simply because of the next one. It's got to clip into the next one. $90 or thereabouts. Woolworths. I have seen them a little bit more expensive, like 110, but even at 110, I actually think it's great value. And it packs down to about this big, and it's about 12 kilos. That's the only thing. A little bit on the heavy side. All right, let's move on. Now, this has got to be the most difficult place in the caravan to film. All right, now under here, nice little box. Let's get it out of the way. What we have is a diesel heater. Absolute must. Yes, even in Australia, there is cold places. This here is a safe. Keep all your goodies, right? But you know the $7 two-way valve from Bunnings. This is it, ladies and gentlemen, right here. Hope you can see that. I will take an extra shot, but it slips down to there, and the bed can come down. Otherwise, it comes up and it slips in and it holds the bed. It will never, ever fall down on top of you unless you hit it, and yeah, well, that's a different story. So don't forget, go and get your two-way valve from Bunnings. Now I've tried to get this in view as much as I can. This is the red arc brake button. Electronic braking for the Caravan. Fantastic. The red arc, quality. What can I say? I won't go into that. But what I will go into is the position of this button. It's on this side of the car. It's on the right hand side. It couldn't be in a worse spot. Only the driver can get to it, and you've got to get around to it. I'll show you where it should be and where I'm going to have it moved to. This is probably the worst spot in the car you could put it. Right, I'm now inside the Isuzu, and this here is probably the better spot to have that red arc button. Now this is the reasoning, is because both the passenger and the driver can get to it. It's just not limited to the driver. And you've got to think, if something's starting to go wrong, the driver's concentrating on what they're doing. They're trying to drive and everything else. Whereas then the passenger, if asked, can hit that button. So I will be moving it onto here. Now, one of the best purchases I think we've ever made are these Sirocco fans. Now, that actually went into, there was none in here, and that went into an existing light that we never ever used. While we're traveling, flicks back, sits like that, nice and safe. What can I say? 3 speeds. Boy, does that move the air around. Right. Now, I'll show you the other one. Now, we like the other one so much on the other side that we bought this one and I installed it. I had to run some wires around, but yeah, I actually love them. Now, they are available from Snowies. Now, I bought these on special at the like a caravan and camping show. Now, $169. Now, I'm just saying that is Snowies' everyday price. Now, that is a bargain. Okay, one of the best purchases that's been made for the car. I didn't make it. My sons bought it for us for, I think it was either my birthday or Father's Day. BEDROCK floor liners, fantastic. Their warranty, fantastic. And they're as easy as this. Whip it out, give it a clean, and I mean, you know, don't be too fussy. Boom. Just slips back in. Now, I did have a problem with the warranty. Not a problem with the warranty, it was a problem with one of them. It was bowing along one of these sides, and I rang them up. They took it only a few hours to check like an invoice. There was an invoice for it. Yes, no worries there, Ernie. And I videoed it, and bang. So, fantastic product. Not only that, fantastic warranty, and I believe it's a lifetime warranty. I can't recommend these things even more highly. Just fantastic, so durable, saves the carpet in your car. And if I took it out tomorrow and sold the car, the people would go, oh, brand new carpet. So BEDROCK floor, floor liners, mats, whatever you want to call them. I don't care, they're the best. Okay, let's go through inside the drawer. Right, that's so you can service the hot water service. This normally sits with the with our detecting gear, personal locating beacon. This is actually so you know, the roof racks. Right, tools, spanners. This is electrical. Even I can service the car. Stanley knife, must. Screwdrivers, not screwdrivers. What are they called? Bits, drill bits. Okay, clips, circlips. Socket set. Torque wrench, invaluable. Tyres, things like that, or wheels, I should say. A 200 watt solar blanket, just in case. Some spanners, you know, not little spanners, little screwdrivers. Block of wood. Who can't do without a block of wood? Right, this is pretty good. That's a tyre repair kit. And that sits under there. Snake bite. Also the first aid kit's under there. This is an extension cord for the solar blanket. I'll show you a unique way to roll that. It's actually pretty good. All right, just so you don't think I'm cheating, I'll show you how to do it. Just normal. Right, put your thumb in. Turn it. Just normal. Put your thumb in, and it goes backwards. That's the way to explain it. Right, just normal. Thumb in. And then backwards. Come on. Right, just normal. Put your thumb in. Normal. Thumb in. Now, watch it again. Watch. Every time. All right, legends, thanks for joining us. We're about to leave Cobdogla, and that's the answer. All you have to do is put Cobdogla into the comments, and you're in to win one of 3 $100 vouchers thanks to Snowies Outdoors. Now, that's got to be good. Okay, safe travels, and Ernie's out.